good, huh? It's how now we eat
See
them
the
right out
orange
the
lips?
Oh, I gotta see that.
Yeah.
Now they're really sweet when they come up. Yeah.
Whoa. He's See?
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
That's what you see, those orange lips. Whenever you're down there, you see anything else but that. Oh man, he is big. Look at the size of that. Of course, Mike got this one. Mine was, here's my size. Here's Mike's size.
So, give me a little tutorial on how to clean a scallop. Okay.
Well, first you don't put your finger there because you'll lose it. Just look. And then you.
You hear the pain in the background.
Yeah. And then you want to detach the muscle.
You want to detach the muscle?
Yeah.
So you stick your knife in there and cut the muscle?
I stick the knife right in here.
How do you know what the muscle
He was
is?
wrestling with a crab.
Well,
Is that the part you eat?
just kind of just go along the back. Yeah, you hear the sound of agony.
Oh!
as you cut through his. Oh man, that thing is sharp.
The muscle is the part you eat, so you're cutting the bottom of that?
Yeah, I'm cutting the bottom of that as cleanly as I can.
And to get it open, you stick your
And
knife
then-
through the
Yeah,
side,
I mean,
like that,
in the beginning. I
like
did.
Mike just did.
Look at.
And then those are everything you find in there.
Yeah, but this right here, that's the good part. Right here.
Ew.
And he's still moving. He was a lovely, lovely scallop. And there you have it.
And then what, you take out all the colorful parts.
And then I'm taking all the guts off. See?
Mm-hmm.
And then there is the beautiful muscle. This goes to the seagulls.
Is the orange part the liver? That's the liver? Oh, did you hear that, Rebecca?
It's the liver, the orange part?
Yeah.
Look,
I wonder if my liver is orange.
Similar.
that is a meal right there.
Almost identical.
Is it really?
Same shape
Interesting.
too.
Interesting.
And that's how you clean scallop. And then you eat it. And you love them raw, I know that. Here.
So now that we know that you guys are urinating all over them.
You're urinating all.
That's a
Yeah,
marinade. As we say in the marinade.